Hi you guys, welcome back. I am getting ready for Coachella and I think I found the glowiest lip combo. I just want to thank e.l.f. Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be using all of their products to achieve this glowy, fresh makeup look for festival season. I'm also going to insert some videos and photos of me in my outfits and my flower themed looks. And I'm doing this full festival makeup look revolving all around this brand new e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm in Sherbet Punch. I can't stop putting it on. It's juicy, it's hydrating, it's not sticky at all, but you can still stay hydrated because Coachella is in the desert and I get really dry. My lips need to be looking hydrated. Let's play with a little Sherbet Punch. They launched so many good new lippies and I'm excited just to like throw them in my purse and have them with me all festival season. Everything will be linked down below for you guys so you can get this exact makeup look and follow along with me, and let's get into it. Hi, so since I want everything to look very dewy and fresh, I'm gonna start with the new lippy just to prep the lips. I always like to start with a juicy lip before I start my makeup. I just feel like it sets the tone. Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest shade. To really prep my skin, I wanted a skin tint that had SPF in it. So I'm using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint, SPF 50, and it's water resistant. So this is just gonna smooth out my skin tone and just give me that really pretty base before we start the foundation. It's so smooth on the skin. I'll even put some down my neck because we don't want to get sunburned there. And this could be an amazing just everyday tinted sunscreen that you wear. Now to really go in and get my glowy base, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. I love the applicator. It's just so perfect to just put the right amount onto the skin so you're not just dumping foundation onto your hand. And I'm using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush and I'm just gonna go in and just kind of smooth it out on the skin. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna take this, and whenever it's festival season, I do get a little sleepy because you're walking so much, you're running around, you're trying to see all your favorite artists. It's really crazy. So sometimes sleep isn't the first priority and you're just exhausted even if you do get sleep. So I'm just gonna make sure I really get under my eye. Anywhere I want a little extra coverage. And I'm taking another little angled e.l.f. brush. This angled brush just makes it so easy to get that concealer under the eyes. Taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder and this cute little puffer. I want to set my under eye just a little bit because that's where I really want my makeup to stay. But look at, we can still maintain a glow on the cheeks and the face while setting the under eye. I just love these little puffs too because they get really precise where I need it and it doesn't ruin my glow. I'm gonna take a little bit in the center of my brows so you can still see a nice shine. So now with my bronzer hack, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is in medium tan for pinpointing where I want to put my bronzer color. I like to just do the edge of my eye and then by my brows. We also want a little contour. This is the e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush. So we're going to take the fluffier side and we are going to blend out the bronzer here. Look at this. Remember, the sun hits the high points of our face, and that's where we want to look like we are just getting the perfect spring into summer tan. And even if you're not going to the festivals, you can achieve this. Sometimes when I discover new ways to do my makeup during spring and festival season, it becomes then my makeup hack and the way I do my makeup for the rest of the summer. I also was intrigued by this Halo Glow Beauty Wand. It's the contour. Also gonna apply a little bit of this over where I just put that foundation. This is pretty much how I map out my bronzer whenever I want that beautiful contoured but not super contoured bronzy look. And when you go to blend it out, it'll still look very natural. Switch to the little side. You do not have to be a master at eyeshadow or anything. I'm just kind of buffing this and it looks like you're already starting just like a nice warm bronzy glowy eyeshadow. A little trick I like is I take my concealer brush, and sometimes if you do too much bronzer or bring it too low or kind of mess it up, you can always clean it up with any leftover product left on the brush and really just smooth it out so it's not as intense. Especially if you're new to doing makeup, or if you've changed up your makeup routine and you're like, I don't want anything too heavy or too crazy. I couldn't decide on blush, so I got Pink Me Up and Candlelit in the Halo Glow Beauty Wands. These are so cute, and look at the baby pink. It matches the entire aesthetic of what I have going on, which just really soothes my soul. I'm gonna start with a little bit more of the intense pink color. So you just squeeze, just easy, not messy, it doesn't go everywhere, it's just like seamless. I like to take my darker blush shades and just kind of go a little bit lower on the cheek, not as high just yet. And I'm gonna curve this around. Since this is more of like a festival, fun spring look, I kind of really like my blush to hit here. And I even like to do some on my brow bone so it cohesively all just looks really good and blended. I will show you. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush here. Everything, like I said, will be linked down below so you'll know the exact brushes that I'm using, products that I'm using, everything's linked. I'm blending my eye here with the blush on it into where I put the blush and then up around, and then I'll blend it up into the bronzer. Do you see how it all just kind of connects? And if you have leftover blush on your brush, I just like to feather it along the middle of my nose. I just feel like it kind of really connects the look. Now I have Candlelit. This is a lighter blush shade, so I'm gonna go kind of on the high point and maybe just put some on the tip of my nose. Sometimes with glowy products, I have to be careful because it can show texture, so I'll just gently tap over the areas where my texture is just a little crazy, and that immediately eliminates the crazy textured areas, but still leaves me with a rosy glow. These are the Silky powder highlighters. Soft Pearl Era is this shade, and Blush Money. I'm gonna go in the center of my nose, high points, my cheek, and then I'm gonna use it like eyeshadow. Just go over my eye. It's just the quickest way to get a nice powder to kind of set all of the creamy products we put because we don't want any creasing. And since we're sweating, we're outside, running around for spring, summer, festival season, we really just wanna make sure we're setting, but we're still keeping the glow. Now I'm taking Soft Pearl Era shade, and I love a little shimmery sparkle inner corner highlight. I like to just go on the lower part of my eye. I am gonna take the brow laminating gel, brush up my brows, and kind of brush them forward. I think there's nothing prettier than just like a really bushy brow. We don't want anything too crazy. This is the Instant Lift brow pencil, and just fill out the ends of my brows in the front of my brow. Now, nothing like a little mascara. I like how it just separates every lash, makes them full but not clumpy. The mascara is on. We need to do some lips. This is where my ultimate lip combo comes in. I love to just outline and enhance my Cupid's bow. Now for my baby. Honestly, if I don't have my lip combo, I don't have anything put together because I really just feel like a juicy, flawless lip shade really ties together this glowy, fresh skin that I want for festival, spring, summer season. I'm taking this everywhere. Also, this smells like the perfect sugary, but maybe a little sour, sweet, gummy candy. You can already see the shade is like a perfect pink, and I'm just gonna apply it like that. This is my dream lip combo. I think there is nothing better than a juicy lip and some glowy skin and just being in the sun, just glowing, being a goddess, being a girl. Let me know what you guys think of my outfits and the makeup that I did with these looks. So don't forget to shop everything e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.